feel the oil when I was unraveling the twist, which was amazing. So like I said, I don't know if it's the rice water or I don't know if it's the aloe vera oil that I have in my leave-in conditioner and that I applied to my hair after the wash yesterday. But either way, I'm loving the way my hair feels right. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dele. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in London. Welcome to my channel. First of all, like I always say, thank you to all of my new subscribers, to all of my videos, like, share, and all of those good stuff. Thank you. And to all of you that leave comments, I do read all of the comments. Thank you. Let's go straight into today's video. First of all, before I forget, thank you to all of you that have watched the aloe vera hair treatment and aloe vera oil video. Thank you so much for the feedback. Thank you for the views. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for sharing that videos. Thank you. Like I said in one of those videos that I will be trying out the rice water experiment. And today is the day that the Lord has made. Yes, I am so excited to try out this rice water. So let's talk about it first of all before I will go into detail. This rice water experiment is not new to the black community, or it's not new to the natural hair community. I've been hearing about this rice water for like close to 2 years now, but I've never ever tried it. I just felt like, nah, I don't want to try it. But now I am on a mission. My hair must grow. Yeah, because I have the potential. When I had my head, when I had relaxed hair, I had long, beautiful relaxed hair. Although it wasn't healthy, but it was long. I didn't have issues growing my hair. I have the gene. And ever since I went natural, even when I went natural, I was confident my hair was going to grow. I've been natural for 8 years. Even though I damaged it many years ago after going natural, and yes, I damaged it, and yes, but I just feel like my hair should be longer than this. Like, guys, look, let's pull this. Hope it doesn't mess up my hair. Like, I just feel like my hair should be longer than this. So anyway, I'm going to try. So I'm still experimenting with the aloe vera treatment and the aloe vera oil. I've got it on my face. You can see the way I'm glowing, mixed with my leave-in conditioner and my oil mixture. So research about this rice water, because it's necessary for you to research about anything before applying it to your face or to your hair, or for doing anything naturally in life. You need to do research. Even though people are talking about it, do your own research. So I was doing research about this rice water, and apparently there's a tribe in China or South Asia or Southeast Asia, somewhere in Asia. These women apparently are called Yao ladies. I'll put their picture on the screen. They have the longest, apparently they have the longest hair in the world, and they've been using rice water for many years to wash, rinse, and do all of those stuff on their hair. I was doing my research about rice water. I discovered that rice water do contain vitamin E, vitamin B, amino acids, minerals, and antioxidants. Because rice water contains all of these vitamins and minerals, it helps the hair grow longer. It helps the hair stay stronger, smoother. It makes the hair shine. It's easy for you to detangle your hair. So that's what I'm gonna find out today. Thank you first of all to Message. She's a YouTuber based in America. She's also a nurse, and she's got natural hair. And I watched a lot of her videos about the rice water. She's got one she recently uploaded 2-3 weeks ago, so I need to give credit to her. Yes. While I was doing more digging about this rice water, I discovered that there's so many rice water recipe out there. So in my recipe, you will see the clip. I will insert the clip for you guys to watch. For the one here that I'll be using on my natural hair today, yes, this is the recipe. Another recipe there that I will explain to you briefly. Want me to film a video to show you how I got this other recipe? Leave a comment down below and let me know. The difference is this recipe, you soak the rice in water for at least 24 hours to a week. And then after that, you strain out, you sieve out the rice, and then you get your rice water. You get your fermented rice water. But for this one, what the difference is, you soak the rice in water for like few minutes, you sieve out the rice, and then you leave the water in a jar with the orange peel for few hours, few days. Even the Yahoo ladies in China for like months. I was reading about a month and weeks. I'm gonna leave this for like weeks until this runs out. Then I would use that one. So I'll see the difference. According to research, the longer you leave the rice, the longer you soak the rice in water for, the better it is, because fermented rice water contains high level of antioxidant. I'll leave that on the screen. The rice, I soak the rice in water for 7 days. Yes, I'm not joking. For 7 days. So, and I will set the clip how I was able to achieve the rice water, and then I'll also show you the guys a clip on how I apply the rice water to my hair. So do not skip this video. Like, watch, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. So see you at the end of that video. Now show you the process of making the rice water, or fermented rice water. So you're gonna need orange, and I'll explain why you need orange later. Obviously you need rice. This is where I'm going to pour in the rice water. So first thing first, I need to wash the rice, get rid of the dirt and all of the chemicals while they were processing the rice. For the orange, I just need only the skin, because apparently when you leave rice in water for a few hours, there's a smell with it. It has this horrible smell. So obviously this orange peel will give aroma, if you want to say aroma, good scent, orange flavor smell. You see how dirty the water is? That's why you need to wash it, because apparently rice water has a high content of protein in it, and if you don't get rid of all the chemicals and dirt from the rice, you would not get the benefit you need to your hair to make your hair grow. So that's one of the reasons why you need to wash the rice. I wash my rice like 3 or 4 times. The jar. I'm going to pour the water, cut off the skin, and put it in it just for the smell. I'm so excited. So this is the rice water. So this is my rice water. I've had this rice soaked in water for close to 7 days. This is my first time opening this jar. Let's see what is. So you guys can see the orange peel and then the rice. Let me smell it, and it's got a strong smell of orange, because obviously of the orange peel I put in it. Let's get our rice water. Yeah, of the rice, and obviously this I'm gonna put the rice. This will go in the bin. So this is my rice water, guys. Yay! I'm so excited. So welcome to this section. So this is freshly washed. I literally just washed my hair. I'm gonna apply the rice water, and the rice water, I'll apply the rice water and I'm just gonna rinse it off. So that's why it's very necessary to wash before applying the rice water, because you're only gonna rinse it off and then you style your hair as normal. So you can see the rationale why. So that's why I'm gonna show you guys now. I'm gonna section. This is my hair. Can you see my hair shrinks a lot? Like my hair shrinks a lot. I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections quick. I'm planning to dye my hair this summer. What do you guys think? Should I dye it? I'm planning to color my hair this summer. Make sure you massage the rice water onto your scalp, and then don't forget your hair. People always tend to only focus on the scalp and forget the ends, so don't forget the ends. All I can smell is rice. I can smell rice. I'm trying not to avoid it to get into my mouth. Massage onto your scalp. So you can see, I'm showing you that I've applied it to every part of my hair on this side. So guys, I'm not gonna apply the fermented rice water to the back of my hair. Can you see my hair saturated in fermented water? This is me all done, guys. So I'm gonna leave the fermented rice water in my hair for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it all off. Yes, not to wash it, or not wash my hair again, just rinse out the fermented rice water. Yes, my hair is not dripping anymore because my hair soaked in all the fermented water. So yes, so I'm gonna leave, like I said earlier, leave the fermented rice water in my hair for 30 minutes. So I just put on a shower cap so that the water does not keep dripping all over me. I'm not gonna sit here for 30 minutes. I'm gonna go out, or I'm gonna go about in the house and do stuff I need to do then. So apparently you can this in the fridge to preserve it, and you can use it anytime you need to use it. So I'm gonna pour this in a bowl and put it in the fridge and tell my husband this is fermented rice water. It is not to drink. It is not lemon juice. See you when I'm all done. Welcome back. Let's go straight into what I think about the rice water. So after the rice water rinse, I noticed that it made my hair feel super soft, even though I already have soft natural hair, but it made my hair feel super soft. So I like that about my hair, and I didn't have any issues with it. It worked well with my hair, and I rinsed it off. And then after the wash, after I wash I normally leave my hair in twist. Then this morning when I was about to record this video, I had to take out the twist, and I noticed that my hair was very moisturized. I could still feel the oil that I applied to my hair yesterday, a day before. Normally after I wash the next day when I want to take out the twist, my hair feels a bit dry. But this morning I wasn't dry. I don't know if it's the aloe vera treatment. Like I said, I'm also experimenting with the aloe vera treatment, or it's the rice water. But I noticed this morning that the oil I applied to my hair yesterday was still intact. Like I could feel, literally, I didn't have to use, because normally when I'm taking out the twist, I normally have to apply oil to my fingers to unravel the twist. I didn't have to do that today. The oil was still intact. I could still feel the oil when I was unraveling the twist, which was amazing. So like I said, I don't know if it's the rice water, or I don't know if it's the aloe vera oil that I have in my leave-in conditioner and that I applied to my hair after the wash yesterday. But either way, I'm loving the way my hair feels right now. I am so happy that I'm trying out this experiment. So yes, I'm going to be adding the rice water to my wash day routine, and also I'm going to be trying the aloe vera treatment once a week. I haven't done the aloe vera treatment this week, but I intend to do it in the next few days. I still have time, so I'll do it. But I still have the oil mixed in my leave-in conditioner anyway. So guys, so far so good. I love it. I'm glad that I tried out the rice water experiment and also the aloe vera treatment. So guys, this brings me to the end of today's video. Hopefully you like this video. Please share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Please guys, subscribe. It is free. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.